people of the earth, it's your girl, Mayrim. Today is a special day because my friends are coming here in my mansion. Here are my friends.
So, what are we gonna do today ba?
Maglalaro lang tayo ng Try Not to Laugh Challenge. And kung may tumawa, may consequence. Bubulot tayo sa mahiwagang pouch at i-describe natin ang nabunot natin. Sino yung mga names na nasa pouch? Yung mga names na nasa pouch is yung mga authors na may contribution sa literature ng Philippines.
O kakalesan lang natin yan sa lip.
Ay sige, G ako dyan.
Okay.
So, without further ado, let's get it! Okay, let's start!
Ella sabía que algún día pasaría, que vendría a buscarla con su
Hindi ako na.
Okay, bumunot.
Si Cordero, syempre kilala ko yan, boy pa yan. Christian Sendon Cordero became one of the newest and most colorful figures of Philippine culture. He was born in April 1983 at the city of Iriga, Camarines Sur. He is a poet, fictionist, translator, and filmmaker in Bicol, making him to receive the Sea Right Prize in Bangkok, Thailand from the Thai monarchy. Alam niyo rin ba? Favorite ko yung isa sa mga meaningful literary work niya na langaw ang title. From the persona of that story, which is a young girl, marami kayong matututunan, kaya mabuti pa, basahin niyo na rin.
Okay, next.
Okay. Ito sana kilala ko.
Abdon Jr. Abdon Imbalde Jr. was born in Busak, Albay, sa Bicol noong September 12, 1946. Nakatapos siya ng civil engineering pero nag-work siya as construction engineer for 30 years. Isa siya sa contributor ng revolutionary paper entitled La Independencia. He is one of the outstanding Bicolano artists in literary arts noong 2009. Samantalang noong 2012, he was named Poet Laureate of Albay. Isa sa sinulat niyang novel is yung Mayo. It is about Bulkang Mayon na matatagpuan sa Bicol. Okay, next.
Boyan.
Ay, si Pedro Bucaneg, basic. Ay, wow. Si Pedro Bucaneg ang father of Ilocano literature. He was born blind, but that didn't stop him. Nagdidictate siya sa mga writer para mapasa ang kanyang knowledge. When he was young, he was found in a basket in the Banawang River by an old woman, Ala Moises. Fluent siya sa mga lengguwahe na Latin, Spanish, Ilocano, at Filipino. Dahil dito, nagtatranslate siya ng mga prayer at sermon. Siya ang nagtatranslate ng Doctrina Christina in Ilocano at siya din ang gumawa ng first grammar book ng mga Ilocano. Part din siya ng gumawa ng Biyag ni Lamang na dati ay saling bibig lang na storya. Next.
Hindi, joke lang.
Tumawa te! Hindi
Siya una siya.
Nauna ako. Ayan. Si Isabel de los Reyes, kilala ko to eh. Isabel de los Reyes is actually my favorite Filipino activist. He was born in Vigan City on July 7, 1864. His writings were influenced by European socialists and Marxists. He is known as the father of Philippine folklore, the father of the Philippine labor movement, and the father of Filipino socialism. And we know that El Ilocano is the first newspaper established in our own language, right? He is the founder of it. One of his famous works nga pala, ang Singsing ng Dalagang Marmol. It tells us the story of a Filipino soldier during the Philippine-American War who falls in love with Liwayway. Okay, next.
Love is not afraid you, but you're here. and so I love.
May bunot.
Ang nabunod ko ay si Juan Crisostomo Soto. Born on January 27, 1867 in Bacolor, Pampanga, Juan Crisostomo Soto, also known as Crisot, is the father of Kapampangan literature. He is a renowned writer, poet, playwright, and journalist. He wrote approximately 50 zarzuelas and dramas, translated some Spanish literature into Pampango, and was a contributor to the revolutionary paper La Independencia. Some of his works are Nano Tomaleku and Alang Diyos. The story of Alang Diyos, or There is No God, revolves around Enrique, a poor painter who is falsely accused of theft. He discovers his secret love, Maria Louise, is set to marry another man. Betrayal, family secrets, and tragedy unfold as Enrique navigates his relationships and confronts the complexities of love and forgiveness.
Ngayon, so guys, tapos ng ating challenge. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, super saya!
Kaya grabe, pigilan pa ako kanina. Anyways, people of the earth, I hope you have fun and madami kayo natutunan sa aming challenge. Bye, guys! Bye! Stay tuned for the next video. Like, subscribe, share this to your friends na. Hi!